Alright, what's up y'all? So I'm gonna start a new series where I document just my journey as a CRO copywriter at split testing. It's kind of the next step, taking all these skills basically that I've acquired over these last 5 years and applying them to these huge clients. It's super exciting. So yeah, I'll be making videos about everything that is going on, everything I'm working on without showing any details or anything like that. But I also want to do a series maybe on here and on YouTube, reading copywriting books and writing reviews for those books because I like reading, I like sharing value, and for any of you guys who want to become CRO copywriters as well, I think it'd be helpful to have a resource where you can just quickly see all the books that I recommend and then pick some up and then start reading and start your journey as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna share behind the scenes what's happening every week, how much content I'm writing, how much copy I'm writing, what I'm learning, the lessons and things like that, and also sharing book reviews, software reviews, tools, and things like that on the YouTube and on here. So if you guys want to follow along my journey, go ahead and follow me and leave me a comment letting me know any ideas you have for me to make content. So see you guys later. Peace.